discussing it. We're looking into seeing if this looks better. But it kind of doesn't. So I'm probably not going to keep this. Let me see if I can focus it. Let me focus. Can I focus? Let's focus. I can't read it, but we'll just...
DMC.
Stuff.
DeLorean.
Yeah. We'll probably get that DeLorean. Wait, how much is the DeLorean? How much is the DeLorean?
14,000.
That's cheap.
Yes.
I'm probably gonna get that once we're done playing.
Anything about that?
I do not know. If you can't tell, we're looking at French car. Okay, now we're looking at Chrysler. You can tell.
300.
Well, Dad has used to have a Chrysler. Those were awesome. Do they have a Ram? What brand was the Ram? What company is the Ram? I forgot what it was. I know. So probably gonna put all these. Probably gonna just keep looking until we get to A, and then we're probably gonna just start playing. We can figure out how to do this because we just got it. We just borrowed it. I'll test it or whatever. We're just playing on the Xbox. You can tell it's the Xbox. So I can't tell the button still. Now I'm a little far from it. But yeah, I think I should